In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make stickers on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now, and we're going to turn any photo into a sticker that you can use in messages and other apps. So first, I'm going to open the Photos app. Once you're inside, go ahead and find the picture you want to turn into a sticker. It could be a photo of a person, an object, or even a pet. Anything with a clear subject works best. Now I'm tapping on the photo to open it fully. At this point, what you want to do is press and hold directly on the subject of the image. I'm holding my finger down for a second and you'll notice the subject gets highlighted. That means your iPhone has detected it and separated it from the background. Once the subject is highlighted, a small menu will pop up. From here, I'm tapping on Add Sticker. As soon as I do that, the image is turned into a sticker and added to your sticker collection. Now I'm tapping into the sticker drawer to check if it's saved properly. You'll see your new sticker inside the list, ready to use anytime you open your keyboard in messages or supported apps. I like to pause here because this is where it gets fun. You can repeat the same process with different photos and build your own personal sticker pack. You can even use selfies, funny expressions, or objects to create something unique that you can send in conversations. Another thing I usually do is test it right away. So I open the Messages app, go into a chat, open the emoji or sticker panel, and select the sticker I just created. Once I tap it, it drops right into the conversation like any regular sticker. You can also move, resize, or layer stickers when sending them, which makes them even more interactive. It's a simple feature, but once you start using it, it adds a lot of personality to your messages. And that's it. You opened the Photos app, selected a picture, pressed and held the subject, tapped Add Sticker, and saved it to your collection. Now you can create and use custom stickers anytime right from your iPhone.